Hey guys, today is our final holiday hairstyle. If you didn't know, I have done 2 other holiday hairstyle videos for you to check out and get some hair inspo for the holidays, Christmas, New Year's Eve, whatever you want. Now this scarf, I'm gonna link for you guys because I showed this on my shorts and this little scarf hack and a lot of you could not find it. And you can't unfortunately link to Amazon on shorts. So I'm gonna link this down for you guys because it is the cutest and softest scarf. So I'm gonna show you an easy updo that's gonna work best for medium to long hair. Now, the first thing you're gonna need is some elastics and of course, some bobby pin. So I like to make what's called a bungee. Now you do not have to make a hair bungee. I just think that it's helpful and it helps secure your updo. So you can see we have our bobby pins. Don't mind my nails, I haven't done them yet. And we're just gonna take a hair elastic. Now, if you have really thick hair, you might want a bigger elastic, but this is just one I'm using. And you're just gonna insert your bobby pin directly into the elastic on each side. There we go. And what you do is you just stretch this over your updo, your bun, whatever it is, and then you go over the updo and you just kind of cross them underneath like that. So you can't see what I'm doing when I use the bungee, but that's kind of like a visual. Stretch, connect underneath the best that you can. So for this updo, I am gonna start at the top of my ear and I'm just gonna take out a section of hair on each side. So this section of hair is important. So you don't want it too big, but you don't want it too small. Then I'm just gonna pull the back section back into our little updo that we're gonna do. All right. Nice and smooth. I'm gonna take the scarf off a minute so you guys can really see. As low to our neck as we can get, and we're just gonna begin twisting it, going up. And make sure you're twisting it tight. It's gonna begin twisting it, going up. Okay, so I'm gonna stop about here. You don't need to twist it all the way to the ends. Now we're gonna take our hair bungee with the ridges facing down. We're just going to hook it into one side of our head, like this, okay? Hook. Now we're just gonna stretch it over and we're gonna try our best to connect them underneath to make sure it is nice and secure. So it should look like this. You can barely see it. We're gonna cover that little elastic. And now if you let go of your ends, it should be secure. So now with this top section, I am just gonna twist it around my finger and wrap it around itself to form just a simple bun. Wrap it around as many times as you need to. It's okay if you leave ends hanging out, totally fine. Just make sure that you are looking in the mirror to see how it looks in the front. And I'm just gonna bobby pin it, like that. All right, here's what this looks like right now. And we still have these 2 sections of hair that we need to do something with, of course. So I'm just gonna take a section. I'm gonna leave out some hair in front. I might curl that, I might not. And we're just gonna kind of bring them back towards the back of our head, give them a twist around our finger. And then we're just gonna pinch and pull. So I'm just showing you, facing you first, and then I'll turn around and show you guys too. And we're just gonna drape this right under the bun. So here's what it looks like. I'm going to twist, or I'm gonna pinch and pull it a little bit more. And I'm just gonna take that under the bun to the other side. It's okay if you have ends hanging out. We like ends hanging out. This is a very like boho, kind of messy updo. And that's why I think people like it so much, because it doesn't have to be perfect. And we're just gonna take a bobby pin, hook it to that hair, and just push it directly into the updo. I'll show you what this looks like from the back this time. So I'm grabbing my opposite section up front, twisting it around my finger. So you can see the ends hanging out right here. We're not gonna touch them, we're gonna leave them. And then we're gonna pinch and pull it to kind of stretch it out. And we're gonna go directly under that twist we just did, bringing it under and over to the other side. And then we are just gonna stick a bobby pin right inside the ends, directly into the bun. So you should have something like this. So just a few more details and we are done. All right, so now we are just gonna pinch and pull those twists. Always pinch and pull, you guys. This can make or break your hairstyle. If anything doesn't feel secure, just insert a bobby pin directly into it. You can kind of stretch things out, pull what you need to. Now you might say, what do I do with some of these long pieces? Well, you could curl them, you could wrap them around your finger, shove a bobby pin in. I mean, there's options. For this one in particular, I'm just gonna kind of tuck it up underneath and bobby pin. Now, I may be biased because this is obviously my own hairstyle, but I think this looks so cute. And it's one of my favorite ways to wear an updo because you can be messy with it. It doesn't have to be like super neat, you know? So I'm just gonna take this beach waver and I'm just gonna wrap it around my hair. And we're just gonna curl these front framing pieces a little bit. If you have hair hanging out in the back, this is the time to curl it, to do all that fine detailing and whatnot. So hopefully this kind of explained this updo a little bit more, and I hope you guys are comfortable with it and you'll give it a shot. I really think anyone can do this. It just is gonna take practice and we have time, so get to practicing. Finishing touches, this is Color Wow texture spray. It's like their steroid texture spray. It smells so good. So I'm gonna do a spin, show you guys all angles, and I wanna hear from you in the comments what you think of this one. So that's it, you guys. I hope everyone has a very Merry Christmas, Happy Holidays. Don't forget to subscribe, like this video, give it a comment, and I will see you guys next year. Thank you for all the love and support. I love you. Bye.